So involve yourself in the imagination of your client. Force them to imagine what life would be like in the future so they can enjoy the benefits of what you're selling them now rather than waiting for later. Nobody wants to wait for later. Everybody wants their benefits now. Nobody wants to save for the future. Nobody wants to put things off. We are an instant gratification society, so give them the benefits, at least in their imagination, right now. Mrs. Jones, can you imagine what it would be like to drive home from work at the end of a long day and know that your roof is still going to look beautiful 2 years from now, while most of your neighbors are going to have black streaks and algae growing on their roof? That's a good feeling, isn't it, Mrs. Jones? Man, that's an imagination booster right there. Next one. Mrs. Jones, can you imagine what it would be like when it comes time to sell your home and the home inspector comes out and your roof easily passes inspection with flying colors? You know, the roof is one of the top 2 reasons why people don't go through with a home sale. But you don't have to worry about that because your roof has been installed by a professional and it's going to look great on the day the home inspector comes out. And what that means to you is that you don't have to go to the title company and ask them to cut the roofer a check at the end of the sale because you took care of it now. Can you imagine how great that would feel? Can you imagine how much better it is to have the insurance company pay for this roof rather than you paying for it out of your equity or paying for it with a credit card, or worse, having to cash out your 401k in these turbulent times? Mrs. Jones, imagine that. Wouldn't it be great? Listen, involve your prospect's imagination and you'll accelerate the sale, you'll accelerate the profits.